Hi guys, welcome back at Sarah Taylor. I'll talk about my colors. So I've got kind of a greenish blue dark base coat, and then that's a really pretty light blue gray and white. So I'm going to do 3 different colors for the base on this pearl cloud over pour, and that's a nice Prussian blue, Amsterdam Expert, and then Amsterdam Expert phthalo turquoise. And then that's Modern Masters Iridescent Gold and Modern Masters Iridescent White. And I did add some titanium white by Golden Fluids. And these are so more like an accent color. That's Payne's Gray. And then that's Charvin Indigo mixed with a bit of Payne's Gray as well. And then the cloud, and then that's Iridescent Gold by Golden Fluid. Really vibrant, bright gold. It's so pretty. And then the cloud over mixes, that's light pink, and these have I'll put the recipes below, and that's a white cloud over mixture. And then that is DecoArt 24 karat gold, which I use sort of the same way as the cloud over mixes. All right, so this is a commission painting for a friend. It's called Reef, and this I'm painting on top of a painting that didn't work out. It was pretty, but the base coat was not the right color. It was a little bit too green. So it's a 20 by 38 or a 20 by 30 inch gallery wrapped level 3 canvas. And sort of what I'm trying to do here is get more colors kind of coming through that base coat. Because when you put satin enamel in the paint on the base coat like this, what it does is it sort of comes up through your puddle colors, your puddle paint, and it kind of eats up the color, but it also, as you know, it creates these really beautiful pillowy cells, bubbly and really organic looking. I really love the effect. And I talk a lot about this in all of my videos. If you kind of go back through, you can get some history on where I developed this. I first started studying
Dwight
Myers.
Myers. Him and I did a great
Fournier,
collaboration.
and then a while back on this technique. So that's kind of where it stems from. And I love the direction it's going. I've just been really, really enjoying my paint and being creative and just, trying to make something beautiful. So if you haven't subscribed, please do. It helps my channel. And yeah, thank you so much for being here. I've got some other things listed below if you want to check it out. Feel free. I've got some paintings for sale on my website. And I sell them sort of with or without frames and ship them out, and they could be yours. So if you're interested in an original piece of art, I would be honored to send it to you. Just take great care, you guys. If you have any questions, let me know. I'm just putting down, the puddle paint, and then I work with my accent colors and the cloud over on top of these colors after I stretch it out over that base coat. So it's kind of a 3-stage painting. I do plan on doing some more teaching videos around this when I have the time to sort of put making artwork aside and do a little bit of teaching. I do plan on doing some more of that as well. So I'm also so excited. I've got a collaboration with Sarah Mack on the 8th of May, and that will air at 1 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. So her video will go first, and then I will follow her. I think we're gonna go ahead and do a premiere. So put it on your calendar. Can't wait to see you guys there. She's been a friend and inspiration for a long time, so it's really fun to have a chance to work with her. All right, you guys, have a really beautiful day and take great care. We'll talk to you soon. Bye.
Yes.